Willow's World! Willow's World! Yeah, surfing! Yeah, Willow's World! Willow's World! Look at him go! Yeah, Willow's World! Oh, look at that! Willow's World! Willow's World! Go, go, Willow! Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh my God, that was so cool.
So today I'm gonna go RC part 3, but I know you can't see the car. We're gonna see at the end. We can see wheels right here. So let's do it. Woohoo!
So, we've got it taped down a bit better now, Will. Do you think it'll stay on a bit better?
Yeah, I think it's going to stay on a bit better. It's very sunny and not too cold today. Got to start seeing up. The camera just came off. So we'll see you next time in part 4 with maybe this car or a helicopter. So see ya. So today we're gonna RC and we're gonna RC with this RC. It's a good one, it's a helicopter, so let's do it. So we're ready to drive the helicopter now.
All right, let's see it. That was a pretty good landing. Getting it repositioned. Holy cow, he almost hit me. He hit me. Whoa, there he goes.
We're back. A friend just came out. Left, and I see more.
Nice flight by Willow Arnold.
So it's going to be the last time. We're going to be 2 more times. We're going to RC helicopter, 2 more laps. So and then it's going to be time for part 4.
Then we go to the editing board. Oh, into the grass. Nice flight, Willow.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow we're gonna do part 4, sunset. So it's almost night. And take a look at all our scenes. So see you in part 5.